This is our new automatic dynamic button attaching machine. One machine can do size from 15 to 21 dynamic shank buttons. This type, head not moving. This button, head moving. Both buttons can done by this machine. Different sizes only change the button mode and button mode set. Only 3 parts change. The button mode can use your own button mode, and we give all sizes from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, all button mode set together with the machine. For different buttons, only move this part by 2 screws up and down according to the button thickness. Move this part up and down. No other adjustment. This new part, no need any adjustment. Now let's operate the machine. The button tightness can be adjusted by changing the parameters here. We will change the language both in Chinese and English. Okay.
我还可以打厚的。
The fabric can be thicker. Thicker fabric adjust the parameters here. 好。